This blue shade is throwing me some serious shade. Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be out here strutting and slaying, metro booming. So today I'm gonna be sharing the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collection with you guys. I picked up the collection, the full collection, so I'm gonna be playing with the eyeshadow palette, the highlighters, the lip products, and showing you guys this tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep watching. So this is the collection here. I picked up the bundle that had lipsticks, highlighters, lip gloss, and eyeshadow palette. Basically, I have everything from the collection, and I'm going to apply it on my face today. I'm so excited because it looks so good. So first, I'm going to be doing my eye makeup using the Perception eyeshadow palette, and the palette is bomb. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. It is Metro Boomin. So once you open up the palette, these are the shades, and they're all sayings that are Shayla related or just things that are Shayla related. So I love how cute this is, and the color scheme is really, really good. Right here you have neutrals, and then over here you have like deep nighttime looks or just more fun colors. So I'm excited to play around with this palette. I don't even know what look I'm going for today, but I kind of want to use the color Stallion just because, I don't know, and maybe a little bit of 14, kind of a blue look. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start with thick M505 brush to blend this color into, what's going on here? Into my crease. I already brought my lid, so just so you know. I'm blending this color in my crease as well as on the top portion right here of my eyelid. This actually blended out really well. So I blended that out completely. Then I'm gonna go in with Revenge, just a little bit of some Revenge. Revenge is a little bit deeper. I'm not really seeing much of a difference. So now I'm going to take the color Stallion and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. So I'm going to take this MAC 242 brush to apply Stallion all over my lid. Since this is a dark color and I don't want fallout on my face, I'm going to use some spray. It's a beautiful blue color. Okay, now I'm going to take this small Morphe brush and a little bit of Stallion and then blend that out. Alright, it's kind of taking away the color. So I'm going to use some of Played Out to blend into the crease. I just took away the blue shadow, so I'm going to add some more blue shadow. I'm going to just apply some more blue. Okay, I think the blue shade is a little bit tricky. So I'm just packing that in like this, and then I'm going to try to kind of not really blend, but kind of just slightly blend together. I'm just slightly blending out that color so I don't lose too much of it. Just really lightly. I'm gonna dust off any extra fallout. This blue shade, I don't know why I picked the blue shade because it's so, maybe the hardest shade in this palette to work with. Alright, let's just try this again. I'm just gonna leave that alone because, and I'm gonna just take the same color and work on my other eye. This blue shade is throwing me some serious shade. So let's try 14. And 14 feels smoother, so I think it's gonna be better. Stallion is kind of more, Stallion is a little more grainy, and I think that's why it was giving me such a hard time. So let's just try 14. Yeah, this feels a lot nice. Oh, this feels great. Just dabbing it on to create kind of a dimension. So now I'm going to take a Makeup Geek pointed crease brush, and I'm going to take thick once again and apply this to my lower lash line. I'm going to mix a little bit of Revenge in there. So now I'm going to do my inner corner. I'm going to use the color Diva and just pop that right in there. And I'm going to take a little bit of TF, the freak, and pop that over it. And that is going to complete the eye makeup. So now I'm going to highlight my face. I have Pose and I have BOOMIN. Alright, so Pose looks like this. So on this side of my face, I'm going to use Pose. Oh, this is pretty. So that's Pose. It looks really, really nice. This is BOOMIN. BOOMIN looks more of a champagne gold almost. Apply this to this side. Ooh. I think I applied too much. Gonna blend that out. This one has a little, this one has more of a bronze gold. This one is more of a yellow gold. So I like both. So you can get it to be really intense if you kind of just pack it on if you wanted to. I'm applying some of BOOMIN to my forehead. And then to my nose. I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes, and I'm going to be right back to do my lips right after. I'm going to use MAC's Cork Lip Liner. Because these are some of the shades. And then I'm going to use the color Quickie. I like it. This is nice. And then I'm going to take the gloss in Neat Freak. It's like a sparkly. It is sparkly and iridescent and just beautiful. So glossy. This gloss is nice. Oh my god. I like this gloss. It's really nice. So that is it for the look, you guys. I'm really enjoying this collection. I'm going to swatch the lip products on my hand so you guys can see them all. This is Quickie, the one that I used. Right here. I'm going to swatch Come On Sis, which I wouldn't think she would go with this color, but it's really nice and I can't wait to try it. Then the next color is Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this one is really pretty. I can't wait to use this one. I think I'm going to try this color tomorrow because it looks so pretty. I love this shade. It looks good. And then I'm going to swatch the gloss. next to the it's a little bit stained because I used it on top of the other lipstick, but it's really nice. It's clear with some really nice iridescent sparkle to it. It's gorgeous. And then I'm going to swatch the highlighters because I did put them on, but I don't think I swatched them for you guys on my hand. So this is BOOMIN here. Really beautiful. And then, so this is Pose right here. So these are the two highlighters, Pose and BOOMIN. They're both BOOMIN if you ask me. Last but not least, I love the colors. These are just beautiful colors. I did have a little bit of a hard time working with this color here. Stallion try to get me, but 14 was amazing. I love these two colors down here, Revenge and Thick, because thick girls. I'm gonna swatch the palette on my arm just really quickly so you guys can see what it looks like. The first shade, ooh, this feels really nice and buttery. It's called Unbothered. This is it here. It's like a white with an iridescent kind of rose to it. The next shade is Spill the Tea. Also really nice and buttery. Then you have Strut and Slay. Really nice, almost like a rose, true rose color. Then you have Revenge. It's a matte shade. It feels a little bit rough, but it blended out really nice when I blended it on my eyelid. Then there is TF, which is also a sheen shade. It's really nice and smooth here. Then there is Diva. Beautiful. Then we have Thick. It's my favorite shade, can you tell? It's my favorite matte shade in the palette. Thick, right here. Thick. Okay, I'm going to start with Titus, which was her puppy before he passed away. Really nice gunmetal-y color. Then there is IE. Ooh. Then there is Sassy. Oh, this is a duochrome, like beautiful color. Then there is Played Out. A beautiful deep plum brown shade here. Then we have Stallion, which doesn't like me, but that's okay. It feels so smooth and it swatches beautifully, but it hated going up. The brush was just a challenge with Stallion. Then there was 14. 14 feels really good as well. Nice and smooth. Really nice. We have September, which is a beautiful purple lilac-y color. And lastly, we have Shade. Throw some shade, you know. Shade feels very similar to Stallion, so I'm assuming these two shades will be the toughest to work with in the palette. So these are all the shades in the palette. I love them. They're so beautiful. I love the palette. I think it's gorgeous and the whole collection is amazing. Shayla did her thing. Like, we are out here strutting and slaying because Shayla hooked a sister up with this collection. She hooked us up. Like, she really did. She really hooked us up. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.